Alright, you guys, these are the elevators here at the Rise in West Lafayette, Indiana. We got some ThyssenKrupps here to ride. What floor are you going to?
9, but I don't have a key. We need a key. Do you have a key? No. Do you guys don't have a key?
We don't have a key.
Oh, I think we cannot get up. I think we need to get down because I don't have a key and we cannot get up.
Okay. Yeah. We gotta wait, Jay.
Okay.
Hola niños. Me prestó tu llavecita para subir.
Okay. Yeah. I'm coming in. Hold on. Thank you.
Sí, igual. Estamos en el premio Navidad.
Oye, tenía 21, ¿no?
Ya.
¿What is senior?
Sí, yo soy senior. Se graduó en mayo.
¿Te queda un añito entonces?
Sí, un añito para disfrutar.
¿Dónde quién va ahí? ¿Dónde quién va ahí ahora?
¿Cómo?
Vas, ¿dónde vaya a llegar?
Ah, de Benavides. Gabriel, ¿no lo contaste?
¿Está en tu casa haciendo el quiz?
13.
16, top floor, please.
It's not clicking 13, you gotta put the key wrong.
He really is. You look
Can someone hit 9 for me? I'm sorry, can someone hit 9?
9.
This shit's fast as fuck, bro.
Yeah, this is speed.
This elevator is fucking...
It's 9, it's
Did we miss it?
No!
Shit, we going to the penthouse or what?
16? Penthouse?
I'm gonna go here.
Adios.
Later. Ciao.
Cowboy. Oh, I thought you said cowboy.
Really?
I'm gonna spill this on myself. I'm about to slap the fuck out of her.
How does that happen? How does that even happen? Ew, that's disgusting. I wonder what happened last night. I don't know, but my fucking thing hurts.
Where are we going?
16?
So y'all go ahead. I'm filming the elevator.
You good, boss? What floor?
I'm just filming the elevator, that's all. Here we go down to lower level 3. Focus camera.
Floor 9.
Going down?
Yes, please. Going down.
You're Thank you.
You want a 1?
Yes, please.
Oh, you're recording. Can I be in your video?
Yes.
It is me.
This is going up on YouTube.
Yes, cool.
How's your day been?
It's going great.
Yeah. Are you a Purdue student?
Actually, you know, I'm not a student here, but I know a few people who go to school here.
Now you know more people. You know all of us.
Yes.
That's cool. Floor 1.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
sir.
No, you go ahead.
Thank you.
I'm going downstairs.
Bye.
See ya. Have a good night. That's so cool. Let's see if we go up. Here we're at level 3. Yeah, we gotta wait. While we wait, let's get care of you. It's a nice cab. As you can see here, it's pretty nice. It's tall cab too. Looks like we're not going anywhere. Let's try one. Atoll buttons. Look at all those buttons. Let's see if we go anywhere. Nope. Yeah, we won't go anywhere.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
I'll give you a push. I gotcha.
Yeah. That was probably the craziest video I've done in a
How
while.
was it?
That was crazy. Anyway,
Party in the elevator?
yeah.
Nice up there?
Yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me.